Scheduling a week of social media posts in just 30 minutes sounds impossible, but it's actually easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to schedule your posts quickly and efficiently. Stick around to the end for an exclusive free trial of the software I'm using, available only to viewers of this channel. First, let's talk about why scheduling posts is a game changer. It saves you time and ensures your social media stays active without you having to manually post every day. The secret is using the right tools and setting up your posts in bulk. Start by gathering all the content you want to post for the week, images, videos, and captions. Organize everything in one place so you can quickly access it. Once you have your content ready, it's time to jump into the software. This software makes it easy to upload and schedule posts across multiple platforms. I've tried many popular tools, but this one stands out because it streamlines the entire process in a way that no other software does. Now, let's walk through the actual process. Open up the software and select the platform you want to schedule posts for. You can schedule for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more all in one place. Choose your first post, upload the content, and add your caption. You'll also have options for adding hashtags, links, and even scheduling a specific time for each post. Next, make sure you're utilizing the bulk upload feature. This is where you'll save the most time. Upload your entire batch of images or videos and then go in and assign them to specific dates and times. The software will automatically fill in the captions for you if you've saved them, or you can quickly paste them in. Don't forget to tweak the times based on your audience's activity, which you can see right in the software's analytics. Once all your posts are lined up for the week, double-check everything to make sure you're happy with the scheduling. After that, hit schedule and let the software do the rest. You've now scheduled an entire week of posts in under 30 minutes. To make this process even faster next time, you can save your posts as templates so you don't have to redo everything each week. It's all about setting up a system that works for you and sticking to it. Key takeaway: scheduling a week of social media posts in 30 minutes is all about organizing your content, using the right software, and taking advantage of bulk upload and scheduling features. The goal is to set it and forget it, saving you time and keeping your social media active. Before you go, make sure you check out the exclusive free trial of the software we're using, linked in the description below. Trust me, it's the best tool for the job, and you can start using it today to streamline your social media management.